Oh my god, this is a nightmare. So we've got this boat. I feel so sorry for these guys. Ryan's there on the tender trying to get onto their boat to help them. I don't know what they're going to do. We've got about 30 knots. That guy has done so well not to hit other boats. He just came in here, came down, turned around in this little gap and has gone back up. And he's, fair enough, he smashed into that boat. But other than that, he has done bloody well. Oh, I'm shaking. They keep getting turned side onto the wind, and as soon as you're side onto the wind and it's this strong, you can't get out of it. You just drift. Oh, come on, guys. We've got boats moving left, right and centre. These guys are moving. They've dragged. Those guys over there that just got hit by the monster boat, they've dragged. They're moving. Ryan's still trying to help him over there. They're getting caught side on again. There's Ryan at the front. I think he's trying to... I think they've got the anchor up now. It looks like he is going really fast, and he is, but you've got to, because otherwise you've just got no control in the wind. Come on, are they holding? Are they holding? No. Okay, they've just re-anchored. It's stuck for a bit. Now it's dragged again. I don't know what they're going to do. They're trying to drop the anchor in the channel now and reverse back, see if that holds better. Come on, guys. And they're in. Thank God for that. Poor guy, bless him. Look at the smile on his face. He's going to feel like an absolute hero. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. We've got some really strong winds. It's averaging about 18, 19 knots pretty consistently. I think we're going to be out most of the night on watch because lots of boats have dragged. We've been fine, but we just don't really want to risk it. Ryan's just having a little sleep. So's Pops. And then I'm going to wake him up in a few hours and he can take over. But yeah, it's going to be another sleepless night, I think. So this is what we've got coming through this big patch. The red bits, it is where it's really strong, like 40 knots. We are here. So I think we're up here. And it's just coming down further and further, so I would not like to be out in that. It starts getting better about, well, it's about 10-ish tomorrow, and slowly dies down, and then it's all good. We're hoping to cross, leave around Wednesday morning to head over to Sardinia. Fingers crossed this does just pass and we'll be all good to actually finally leave. This is how confident we've now got with sailing. Casual 20 knots.
That motor yacht is just to hit them again, I think.
No.
Hit this boat with the light on this time.
They're just bouncing around like a bloody ping pong. Is that the right? No, a pinball.
Your bloody ping pong!
We've got a boat in front of us that's just hit the boat behind. They were like sort of pinned to them side on. But they've been doing weird movements all day. They were too close, they knew it. They didn't bother moving. Now they're in front of us. Gary and Linda, they're on the big boat that dragged this morning. They're dug in now, fine. But this boat is really quite close to them.
Where's our torch? I'm going to illuminate this shit.
It's just down there.
Where?
There.
Pow! Yeah, French flag. Today.
That's the one that just got hit, isn't it?
That one there.
Yeah. Oh dear. We're leaving here today and we are finally heading to Sardinia. I think this is the 4th time that we've tried to go.
Yeah, about that.
4th time and the weather's not been right. So today we've checked this morning and it looks like it is still going to be okay. So that is amazing. It should take about 30 hours. It's 208 miles.
Well, that's straight there, but we're not going straight there. We're gonna head across and then down the coast.
And then down the coast because there's a really cool place that's supposed to be good for kite surfing and Ryan wants to have practice at that. So that's the plan. We're just going to undo the sail bag and then we will be heading off, pulling the anchor and away we go. This is it, our last place in Menorca.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
We said that 3 times, I think.
Yeah. So nice to get back moving.
So far it's been pretty mundane. We're doing 6.26 knots at the moment. We've got 9 knots of wind. We've got the main up and the light wind sail and the swells, well, half a metre. So yeah, it's pretty simple at the moment. Hopefully it stays like this.
How many miles have we got left?
175.
Sweet.
Yep. So, yeah, not much to report at the moment. Sun's just going down on our first night. We're not going very fast now. The wind's a bit gusty.
I've just woken up, I just had a quick hour's nap. The sun's gone down now, so I'm going to go back and have another hour and then come on my shift. Ryan, what's been going on? What's happened now?
Absolutely nothing.
What are you watching?
Oh, something on Netflix. I'm not really even watching it, it's just something past the boredom. We're doing 3.3 knots.
Excellent.
I'm half debating whether to get the light wind out again, but earlier on when we had it out, it
got a bit hairy.
Wow, we got overpowered, didn't we?
Yeah.
But now there's no bloody wind. So, but I know there's wind coming tonight from what we checked on windy before we left. So I don't really know. I'm sort of just near. Might start the engine.
No.
I was hoping this would be the first sail we've ever done, like longer than 24 hours. Because we've never done one where we haven't used the engine.
At all?
Yeah.
Why don't we get the light wind out again, just for an hour?
Because it's getting dark and we know there's wind coming. And you're going to go sleep, so that means I'm left up here. Like when we crossed from...
yeah, alright.
Like when
Yeah.
we crossed from Portugal and you insisted on getting the light wind out and then you went to bed.
Yeah, alright.
And then I had 16 knots of wind.
Yeah. Okay, we'll keep the jib. Hopefully the wind will pick up a bit in a minute. We're on our first night, I'm on watch, Ryan's downstairs having a sleep. It's really bright tonight because we've got a full moon, which is lovely. We've had a bit of rubbish wind, it's basically died, so I think we've got about 5 knots. But we're doing about 4 knots because we've got a light wind out, so it's not too bad. But I think it's probably going to end up being 2 nights on crossing instead of just tonight, which is a shame, but it is what it is and we don't want to run the engine and waste the diesel. It's 7 o'clock in the morning Brian's just going to sleep now. I'm just taking over to do my 4-hour shift. We've been averaging about 6.5, 7 knots for the last 4 hours, which is amazing. Sun's just come up. It is a little bit choppy, but it's not too bad. Wind's only about 10 knots, so it's pretty beautiful, really. We've had to put the engine on, which is a bit rubbish, but the swell is just too big and there's not enough wind to keep the sails full, so they just keep flogging. So we put the engine on. Hopefully we'll only have it on for like 20 minutes, half hour, and then the wind will be back and we can sail. Ryan's just woken up, so I'm going to go for a sleep. Pops is chilling up here. And Ryan, what are you doing?
I am using a new lure that our friend James gave us. It's a Halco Laser Pro, an Australian company. But James reckons that this will catch Dorado, and I'm dying to catch a Dorado. Although I don't think there's any fish left in the Mediterranean, but we did just see a turtle.
We did, yeah.
So it spurred me on. There is hope.
Yes. Fingers crossed you get one.
Well, I'm probably the worst fisherman on the sea. If everyone fished like me, the fish stocks would be totally back to 100% in a few years. So I'm not holding out much hope, but let's see. Oh, we've got a boat coming.
The wind came back about 3 hours ago, so we got the main and the light wind back out. We were doing quite a good speed, and then the wind got a little bit much, so we put the light wind away and got the jib back out. And now we're going along at relatively good speed, sort of 5.5 knots ish. We've got the winds going between 8 knots and 11 knots. Is that right?
Yeah, that's about right.
So yeah, we're pretty pleased with that speed, and at least we can turn the engine off, which is amazing. We did have a little bit of drama, and Ryan was very upset because his hat blew off.
Didn't blow off.
It did blow off.
It didn't. When I was trying to get the light wind in, the sheet knocked my hat off.
Oh, right.
Nothing to do with the wind.
Oh, right, okay.
Because someone couldn't pull the light wind sailing.
I knew I would get blamed for this. So we're here. We're just coming in now. I've been asleep for the last like 5 hours. Ryan has been unbelievably kind and just let me sleep, which is amazing. So I'm feeling good. I think we're going to have a little bit of a nap. Well, Ryan's going to have a bit of sleep, I think, when we get here. And then we're going to head out and explore, yeah?
I don't know if I'll have a sleep. I might just go out.
This is it. I don't know whether you can see, but there's flamingos flying. Ah, this is awesome. This is going to be the best island. We have 1.23 miles to go. I'm super buzzed. Oh, Ryan, your hair. We are finally here. Hello, Sardinia.
Sort of dolphins, turtles, all sorts in the last 2 days. Over the Spanish side, there's nothing, is there?
No. We've got our Italian flag up.
We're in the water, what are we going to do?
Pops, are you super excited?
Show her head under the net, like hanging out over the ladder.
She's just longing for land. So we've just come into the anchorage now. There's not that many boats here actually. And the water, I mean, bear in mind the sun's not long come up, and this is the colour of the water and how clear it is. You can actually see our anchor chain going all the way down. And the anchor is just over there. So we've had a shower and sorted ourselves out a little bit, and now we're going to go and explore.